really full for today. Yeah, so I went to this restaurant because it's famous for the chicken hearts. So yeah, let's try them in this video. Even the chicken is cooked on the shore, so it must be natural and tasty. I'm very curious to taste that and share this experience with you guys. This is the chicken heart. Actually, so many. I don't know how I will finish all that. They have the chicken there. There is no garlic with it. Yeah, good. There is a bad taste at the end, but it tastes like chicken. But the texture is kind of strange. I don't know how I will finish all that. So many. Yeah, I almost finished the chicken, but still have lot of chicken heart. This dish costs 56 riyal and this one 42. So this is more expensive.